Okay, true.
I'm sorry. So to violation of condition number one, how do you plead?
True.
Right.
We'll waive the remaining violation.
Any objections to state's waiver? Court is calling 2023 CR 0923, State of Texas versus Cornelia Shalom Childris. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Jason Deerhead, Your Honor.
defense?
Solis Christian.
And are you Cornelia Childris?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Cornelia Childris who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 0923 for the offense of felon in possession of a firearm on May 30th, 2023 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number one, on or about the 24th day of August 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Cornelia Shalom Childris committed the offense of possession of controlled substance, penalty group one, in violation condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
No contest. Okay, true.
I'm sorry. So to violation of condition number one, how do you plead?
True.
Right.
We'll waive the remaining violation.
Any objections to state's waiver? All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 4 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine,
Yes, ma'am.
knowing that you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is. It is to revoke the individual off for probation and to reform the underlying sentence of 4 years to 3 years in Texas Department of Correction, and the state will take into consideration cause number or nightbag number 726987, which she pled true to.
All right.
That is our agreement, Judge, and we'd just like to tell the court that she has 284 days credit that she would like to add for.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court is going to find violation of condition number one true. Court will grant the motion, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration nightmag number 726987. All right. If you all are behind, I make this announcement every time. If we're on the record and you're behind the court reporter, just ask to move to the other end. All right. Ms. Childris, I pronounce sentence. If you would like, I can ask them to refer you to the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but it could potentially help you get on track with your life. Would you like that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to order the therapeutic community. You'll still need to ask for it when you get there because I have no jurisdiction to force them to place you in the program.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. I see that I ordered parenting classes for you.
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to have to get your life together, because if you don't, somebody else is going to be raising your children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And I always tell people a mother's love is different from other person's love. But if you have no plans on improving your life, don't come in and out of your children's life. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to
She's
you.
ready.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Court is calling 2020 CR 0298, State of Texas versus Jesse Solis. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Left done for the state.
I think that is for the defense.
And are you Jesse Solis? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jesse Solis Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0298 for the offense of assault family second offense on August 24th, 2021 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. On or about the third day of September 2021 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Jesse Solis Jr. did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State?
Your Honor, the state would move to deny the MTR and modify.
Are you waiving the other allegations?
Your Honor, I appreciate it. Yes, we are waiving and abandoning the other conditions.
Any objections to the waivers?
No objection, Judge.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there is a proposed agreement for SADF.
Probation? Is that your recommendation? Because I have 2 questions. 1, is that your recommendation? And 2, has he done anything on probation?
Your Honor, the original recommendation was for Bear County ISF followed by ISP. However, speaking with defense counsel, she indicates that Mr. Solis may have a drug problem. Kind of looked over that, then we said SADF. My other thought was revocation. His last office visit with probation was February 18th of 2022. Your Honor, he has not completed anything on his probation. He did initially signed up for the Veterans Prevention Program, but we don't have anything on file that he actually completed it. And then he has not completed any of the other terms.
All right, has your client done anything on probation?
No, I don't believe he has, Your Honor, but I did have my visit with him. He informed me and I spoke to his mother as well. He had a stroke in 2008. And so he's got some memory problems that are nowhere in the court's records. He's had some auto accidents in 2011 and 2012. Where he's got hit by a car. And the mom did confirm the memory problems. So I did have my visit with him, he knows he's on probation. He knows he was on probation. He absconded. I obviously asked him why. And he let me know that, that he does have a drug problem and he does want help. And he's asking the court he's not a convicted felon, judge. That's why he's on deferred. So this is his first MTR. He's never been on felony probation before. He's got some misdemeanors, but he's asking the court to allow him to get some help. He's 39 years old.
All right. Mr. Solis, the court's problem is that you have not done anything. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty. Revoke. Does anybody wish to speak to the time?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
All right, defense, do you want to speak to the time? The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison.
That's correct, Judge. So in light of the fact that Mr. Solis is not going to be, given an opportunity to continue in probation, I would ask that the court give him the minimum sentence.
All right. Court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will find you guilty, grant the motion, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Anna Solis and Gloria Torres. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. If you would like the therapeutic community, I can request that, but you'll need to request it as well. So if there's a drug or alcohol problem, they will address those issues with you. Would you like that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This was not a plea bargain agreement. You do have a right to appeal. That right to appeal is limited though to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Oh, and I'm sorry, one other thing, because this is a felony conviction and affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you, sir.